Alright, 100 Spartans, sanibingelela nonke babukeli emakhaya. Lapho sikhona phansi eWitbank eMpumalanga eMalahleni. Namhlanje sise Rondebelt, sihamba naye laphana umfowethu uMbongeni Khumalo. uMbongeni Khumalo omunye wabahlali bala eWitbank ezinambeni abarana abenze show ukuthi namhlanje siba nale program lena yokuthi kuzoba kushuthi ngamanye amagama i-workshop lena uzochaza yena ukuthi eyani bafowethu kodwa kubalekile ukuthi sironde belt and then uzolwela for umphakathi for ama training nanani uzochaza. Sawubona bhuti wami.
Sawubona mfowethu.
Kunjani mntaka baba?
Ngaphila kunjani mfowethu?
Danke bhuti wami. I-100 Spartans lena bhuti wami si understand us-invite namhlanje ukuthi so document this whole thing. Mhlambe ungachazela ababukeli ubatshela mhlambe igama lakho lokuqala kuphi bese uyangenelela ukuthi yindaba mhlambe namhlanje sila eRondebelt.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, and first of all, mfowethu ngithanda ukubonga ukuthi ni honored the invite.
Yes.
Even though it was a short notice to you,
yes,
but even us when we are organizing this thing was a short notice.
Yes.
So ngiphinde ngibingelele nabahlali emakhaya.
Yes.
Ukhulumalo ngoMbongeni
Yes.
uSensathu wakaKhumalo.
Yeah.
So ama caps enginawo are many, but I will stick on the one lawa akhona la.
Yes.
Esize ngawo. One is secretary organization ebizwa ikuhle,
yes,
youth development.
Yes.
Then number 2 ngiphinde ngibe i-owner ye Rondebelt truck stop le esikiyo phakathi kuma premises. So I'm just the CEO.
Yes.
So kunama department according your financial manager, your marketing and your production manager.
Yes, yes,
yes.
Manje namhlanje bafo into eyenza ukuthi kube khona this workshop mhlambe yini ezokhulunywa ngayo namhlanje lana.
Okay. Now let me start up by saying this, by telling you the history of this thing, because this thing started last year. Yes. On February. I remember there's a guy who's also my partner, Sakile Ntuli, went to SEDA and do my training.
Yes.
Then we receive a funding.
Yes.
Then I went to NYDA in some of the program I call my training. But when we sit down, it's no Sakile to say no man. There's a problem in NYDA and both in SEDA.
Yes.
So the problem yabo ukuthi most of their programs,
yes,
attend abantu abayi-1. The very same people engitraine nabo NYDA no Sakile utraine nabo ku SEDA, and yes, always there's a one face. Right. So we sit down and check ukuthi okay, what is the problem? Yini inkinga kuze ukuthi abantu baselokishini lethu bangakhona ukungena within lama programs NYDA na SEDA. Yes. Then when we are checking, one, there is no funding for transport. Then can you matching from Empumelelweni to a town Ithuna, then we provide nokudla. We are speaking about 500 rand a week. Then we are speaking about for transport only. Yes. Then we are speaking about ukudla around about 300, then it's 800. Yes. Then as a young person we are unemployed. Yes. But uyawafuna la opportunities. Yes, but that 800 ile ukhona ukuthi uthenga ngayo iron all, and must remember ukuthi most of us as young people who are unemployed we depend kule 350 esithola ku government. Yes. Then we sit down with the leadership of Ubuhle Development, learning our stories. Yes. Then we said no, why don't you bring the service of NYDA or SEDA to abantu. Yes. Etuzala abantu khona ku access khona bafike ngenyawo. Yes, yes. Then we sit down up and storm. Then we said last year on January. It was last year on January. Yes. Then we say NYDA, but you know they can come, but you must arrange a venue and have 50 people. But train gune life skill development, ne business management, ne business skill management. Yes. That life skill yenzeka one day of which ile ekwenzeka namhlanje. Then for 5 days kuzokwenzeka a business skill management. Then after that ba khona ukuthi apply for funding. You get a certificate so that you can apply for funding, which means they are preparing you to start a business. They better apply for funding. Yes. So nabachazelo NYDA, we go back to the organization leadership. We sit down. We wrote a message, an email to NYDA. Yes. I remember it was on February 20. Then on the 23. By acknowledge that they received the emails. Yes. But fortunately, due to if they never explained about they are training for the whole Nkangala region. They are having one facilitator. So we push. We try even imagine I'm a politician until we get assistance from the regional chairperson.
Yes.
Or the regional secretary of the ANC Youth League, of which is in Mpongkuta.
Okay.
But try to intervene to get NYDA ibuye. Then early this year January we started the process again. We're pushing them that sifuna lama training as youth they have the skills also salon but they don't have equipment.
Yes.
They have skills when they chiefs but they don't have equipment.
Exactly.
So we do them engagement until on Friday last week. They called me and say Guti we immediately send the move has been successfully bazoguza basondele bazokwenza the training.
Okay.
Then but the training is this week.
All right.
Friday as it's namhlanje Friday. Then you can check which we are under pressure. One, we have not prepared the venue. Then two, the young people they are all over. Even now I'm busy receiving call that is the space still full or is accessible.
Yes.
So you can tell that young people they need this thing, but they only say you must provide 50.
Yes.
But hopefully at the end of this section we will be telling the facilitator to see what there's a need. Yes. So on Monday we started planning. Yes. for the event.
Yes.
It was not easy, Buff. It was not easy to plan on the event. Dynamics, there are politics.
Despite a lot of things. Yes.
And a lot of things is challenging. But I want to give a shout out. Thanks to the management of iRondopet.
Yes.
Sithena sikhuluma bathi sibachazise ukuthi kwenzakalani. They just say good no, it's fine.
Yes.
We provide food and we provide packages.
Yes.
Ibag. Kuzoba yiyo nebag the cap.
Yes.
Bese kuba nepen ne-use throughout the section as to encourage young people ukuthi baqhubeka nale program. So that's where we are now.
All right.
Icala namhlanje the planning was to ukuthi namhlanje the facilitator will come back on the 6th.
All right.
Then I get on the 13th. But now in the morning ngikhuluma naye uthi there are changes but we siyokhuluma nakuphela. But at the end of the day uzoyiceda le program nathi.
All right. But for manje ngicela ukubuza something man in terms of attendance because uyabachaza ukuthi bathi manje ngaba nabantu abayi50 or so. Namhlanje banjani iyafika lelo nani balifunako?
Yeah, even though no mangangenanga or ngachecka but if ever I'm checking the chairs because the chairs they are 55.
Yes.
So I just see few empty spaces but I'm definitely sure we're having that 50 plus inside the venue aba busy lapha but the correct number anginayo amanga you just say 50 plus.
All right, kungcono kanjalo. Uyawaphinde wa mention ukuthi le truck truck stop lena iwela ngako mhlambe ngabe akhona ama plans onawo for abantu abasha basemalahleni.
Yeah, definitely sure. As I bring the NYDA here, yes. I will also form part of the program because I'm one of the young people also holding funding.
Yes.
On the truck stop. If ever you can check, I got the main client.
Yes.
And I like a bigger client when we are talking about a Renard Group. If ever you can search it on the internet, it's one of the biggest truck industry of which they are having 2,000 trucks.
Yes.
So I'm communicating with them. I'm having the contract now. So one, our initial plan, if ever the Rondopet truck stop is finished.
Yes.
Now I'm facilitation. The way emergency zibe ngakhona.
Yes.
Kube a complete truck stop.
Yes.
We must have a diesel depot. We must have a full wash bay. We must have a shop. You must have a beautiful parking lot.
Yes.
So even if you can check the space,
yes,
we are only having a mini shop of which shire within our client. When someone come afternoon at nongilambile ngifuna lokho na ingekho akashapark uyahamba.
Yes.
Understand that it is a problem too. Irenanje bangimentionile.
Yes.
We are having a contract nabo bayalala baphinde bawashe amabhini.
Okay.
But they are complaining, the driver, to say ukuthi we can't be washing amabhini only, we need also to wash a full wash.
Okay.
But you are not capacitated to watch that full wash, of which we are hoping at the end of the this section program, the NYDA anyway we see the need also to lay hands within the truck stop here today because we've been putting an application that NYDA, you see that even your mega, but we have not get any assistance, but through training, maybe bazophinda bazizwele as i-government injector lot of money to lama government institution ukuthi baba-assist as young people esifuna ukucala ama-business. But one thing I want to emphasize, this thing I want to emphasize, yabona mfowethu, you see your government institution lawa amela fund the young people or abantu start ama-business. I don't know how they are operating. They are willing to fund an idea than to fund a running business. Why I'm saying that? We've been running this place since last year from June
last year, 2025,
2025, if I'm not mistaken. We've been trying through the assistant of Rondo Belt to say, we are having this kind of amount, so can you help us to create nani? We try to vandalize it. If you can remember, Rondo Belt close that down. So next farm application, see business, they don't take us serious. But if ever you can check the state Salama institution guys, they take those people who are having an idea. Uguti no minangabanga uguti ngenze ite so. They are finding them.
Abafund imoto ehamba.
But that one is a topic for another day, because I see some will say I'm just politicizing a politicizer. But at the end, South Africa, we can't run away from you.
That's very true.
So that's why I want to emphasize that thing. So that's why I'm saying, guys, assist us to broadcast this thing until the end, so that people can see young people, they are complying. But the problem, the government institution doesn't want to assist us.
Yes, that's very true. And ukuzwakela uhlabe kwasokala Mtunga. Mtunga ngicela ukubuza man ebantwini abasha abasafuna abanamabhizinisi afuna ukuthuthukiswa nomuntu ofuna ukucala ibhizinisi, mhlambe umlayezo ongawundlulisa via amaspatha uthanda ukuthini bhuti wami? Because bakhona banawo ama-ideas njengoba uchazile ukuthi ama-ideas esikhathini esiningi yiwo afandiwako, into esephilako existako banokuyi yes. So ngizobuza ngabo labantu laba Mtunga, asiqale ngalaba abanamabhizinisi. Amabhizinisi akhona let ashoda nje nge-financial injection nani bagcina baphele umoya, bangasenamandla, babona ngathi into yethu angeke saphumelela. I-advice ongababanikeza yona yiphi bhuti wami?
All right. This one I will respond it as a secretary of the Kuhle Youth Development. I will not respond it as a business person. So what I can say to abantu abasha nabantu abaqale ama business, one, I will just say an empty cup is useful than a full cup. So what I'm trying to say asivukeni bafethu. Sivukeni silwele into yethu. So one of the vision we are having as Kuhle Youth Development, that I'm under Kuhle Youth Development, one of the vision we are having, we are saying we will do the training, all the training across Lama institution. After this program, we'll be fighting with SIDA, any event staff. If ever people they are not funded, I'm saying as a secretary of Kuhle Youth Development, they must wake up and close down the office government until they get funding. Because at the end of the day, if ever you're complying, why they are not assisting you? So you can't give up as a business person. So I learned one thing, if ever you're a business person, you must sleep 4 hours. In 24 hours, you must sleep for 4 hours. Ukuze yonke into yakho nawuvuka kuleyo 4 hours ukhona ukuyipusha lapho bathi kunesinkwa khona, go there
Yes.
If ever you comply, go there not to close, just to picket and raise your frustration. If ever they don't want to assist you, close down the offices until the relevant person come and address you and give you why you are not qualifying. Let's just make an example. Myself, as a owner a truck stop, apply a man, apply a wash pay.
Yes.
So ngilinde almost for 2 years without getting any notification. Okay, melulungise lapha nalapha nalapha. That way come the problems. So that's why we are saying after we do farmer application, we'll be following our procedures. Then if ever we are not satisfied, we'll be closing it down. I'm sorry to say this live, but at the end of the day, we are sick and we are tired because we as young people now, we don't need employment. We want to create employment for ourselves. And the government on the national level, they're always saying we've been injecting money to the NYDAs to see that LAF, but we don't see any person.
I know. Cha futhi usale wakhava lapha naleya yesithuwe bengifuna ukubuza une question nomuntu osafuna ukuvusa ibhizinisi bhuti wami. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ungirephele yona kamnandi bhuti wami. Ngiyathemba ukuthi this program izoba successful bhuti wami through your efforts nabantu enisebenzisana nabo. Si 100 Spartan sinifisela impumelelo bhuti wami.
No, thank you very much mfowethu.
Ngabe mhlambe khona ukugcina ufuna ukukhuluma?
No, I think for now let's just pause it here mfowethu. Then I think at the end of the section nakuphela le section le njengoba bengichaza ukuthi izohamba kanjani, hopefully uzobukhona. And if ever the truck stop has been developing, we are planning to employ in a full operation. We are planning to employ 46 young people.
Yeah, that's nice. So
currently now we are only having 5, then 5 employees, then we added the 5 directors, of which they do the management. Meaning all in all we are 10. So that 46, if ever the truck stop is complete, we'll be adding on top of the 10.
Straight bhuti wami yiyo ke incola ehambayo lena. Baba Khumalo, sibonge kakhulu siyanda Spartan bhuti wami.
No, thank you very much.
Ninga give up before ninga up phambili kula siyakhona.
No, siyakhona.
Thank you bhuti wami. 100 Spartans sekhona eRonde Pelts naye umfowethu ke umbongeni Khumalo nizwile bafowethu umuntu omusha uzwele ngicela niphakameni ningahlali because manje mawuhlezi yonke into iyahlala. 100 simthanda nonke bafowethu. Dem salute. Sharp. Thank you bro.
Sure.
That was nice.
Short.